Pandas are bears, specifically known as giant pandas. Their scientific name is Ailuropoda melanoluca, which means black and white cat-footed bear. Walruses have huge tusks that they use to help pull themselves out of the water onto ice. They can sleep underwater and surface for air without waking up. There are around 2,000 species of starfish, 124. However, not all of them have a star shape. Dolphins are super smart and playful. They love to jump and play in the waves created by boats. Sharks are fish with sharp teeth and great senses to hunt prey. They come in many sizes and types, including the hammerhead. Frogs can breathe through their skin as well as their lungs. Some frogs can jump over 20 times their own body length. Stingrays have flat bodies and use their long tails with a venomous spine to defend themselves. They can fly underwater by flapping their fins like wings. Great white sharks are gray with a white underbelly, from where they get their name. They have a streamlined shape and powerful tails that propel them through the water at over 60 kilometers per hour. Ducklings can swim and feed themselves shortly after hatching. They follow their mother closely for protection and learning. Alligators are carnivorous and live along the edges of permanent bodies of water, such as lakes, swamps, and rivers. Baby turtles hatch on beaches and instinctively head toward the ocean. They have been around since the time of dinosaurs. Sometimes, orcas can jump high out of the water and do flips. It's like their ocean dance. Octopuses have 8 arms and are very smart. They can change color and squeeze into tiny spaces. Clownfish create communities of various clownfish with specific roles. Polar bears have black skin under their white fur to soak up the sun's heat. Their fur is actually transparent and appears white because it reflects visible light. Some whales sing beautiful songs that can travel for many miles underwater to talk to other whales. Hermit crabs don't have their own shells. They find empty shells from other animals to live in and change shells as they grow. Blue tangs are bright blue fish that can change color when scared or sick. They have sharp spines on their tails for defense. Seahorses swim upright, unlike most fish. They use their tails to hold onto seaweed so they don't get swept away by currents. Squids have long bodies and tentacles with suckers. They can swim fast and squirt ink to escape danger. Goblin sharks have a long, flat snout that looks like a sword. They're pink in color and have a ghostly appearance, which is why they're called goblin sharks. Horseshoe crabs have been around for over 445 million years, making them older than dinosaurs.